You manage an Azure SQL server named Server 1, which hosts two databases, DB1 and DB2. You are deploying an application called App1 that requires access to DB2 using SQL-based authentication. Your goal is to provide App1 with access exclusively to DB2 while keeping administrative tasks to a minimum. What is the most appropriate step to take? Option A. Create a contained database user for App1 within DB2. Option B. Create a login for App1 on Server 1. Option C. Create a contained database user linked to an external identity provider on DB2. Option D. Create a contained database user mapped to a Windows login on DB2.
When securing applications in cloud databases, we focus on providing the minimum necessary permissions. This question centers on database access management and the isolation of credentials. We need to decide between managing security at the database level versus the server level, while strictly adhering to SQL authentication requirements.
In my view, the correct answer is option A. Create a contained database user for App1 within DB2. This is the most effective approach because a contained database user exists only within the specific scope of the target database. By using this method, you provide access exclusively to DB2 without needing any server-level logins on the master database, which simplifies administration and enhances security through isolation.
Regarding the other options, creating a server-level login in option B is less ideal because it operates at the server scope rather than the database scope. Option C is incorrect because the requirement specifically mandates SQL-based authentication, not an external identity provider. Finally, option D is not applicable here, as Azure SQL databases do not use traditional Windows logins for contained users. Remember, for exams, always prioritize solutions that minimize administrative overhead.